Welcome back. We have already discussed what are SObjects. Now let's learn how to declare a standard object or custom object using Apex programming language. So in order to declare SObject, we have to know the API names of SObjects and the fields inside the SObjects. So how to get the API names of those SObject and the fields? So let's go to object manager, and then for finding out the API name of any object, you can see the API name besides it. So the name of the object is account and the API name is account. In order to get the API name of various fields, you have to click on the name of the object and go to fields and relationships, and you can see the API names under the label field name. So these are the list of API names. Now let's create a standard object using Apex. So account SEC, the type of objects which is account, the name of the object SEC equals to new account. Now let's provide some values. So what is one of the field in the account object is name, so let's provide the name, which is ABC, and let's see what are other values which we can provide. We can also provide annual revenue, so let's copy this, annual revenue, and let's give some value 10.00, and let's print the account. Execute. I hope it will not give an error. So it's executed, and let's click on debug only and see the value which we have created. So we have created an account with name ABC and with annual revenue of 10,000. So this is how we create a standard objects. And what about custom object? How we declare custom objects? So for declaring custom object, we have written it here in our notes. So let's assume we have created a object named student, and the name of the API name of the custom object is student underscore C. So this is the type, the name of variable, new, and then again the API name of the custom object. So this is how you declare custom object. And please remember, every time you create a custom object, the API name will always ends with underscore C for custom object, and also for the fields, custom fields in standard and custom objects, the API name will ends with underscore C. So that's it in this video. We will learn about collections in the later videos. Thank you very much.